Okay class, I have solved all the homeworks and given a link. I have given a link in the description box of this video. I will tell you how to download that video, that PDF, and you can check the answers of that sum. So today we are going to the next sums. I am taking a sum from 103, page number 103, number 6, where the question is Pritam's father bought 1/4 kilogram of rice, 2/5 kilogram of pulses and 1/8 kilogram of flour from the market. How many kilograms of food did he buy in total? So whenever we are asking how many amount of food did he buy in total? In total means we have to find the sum of this parts. Okay, so parts of rice bought, that is 1/4 kilogram, that can be written as kg. Okay, parts of pulses bought, that is written as, that is given as 2/5 kilogram. Okay, so we will write here 2/5 kg. And parts of flour, that is given by 1/8 kg. Now in total, so we have to find in total. So in total, what we have to do, we have to add these fractions. So here also we have to take this LCM of these numbers. Okay, so we are doing this 4, 5 and 8. So this will be 20, 22 to 40. So I will write 40 divided by 4, 10, 1 into 10, 10. 40 divided by 5, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 40 divided by 8 is 5, 5 into 1, 5, 10 plus 16, that is 26, 26 plus 5, that is 31 by 40. So this parts of foods, this parts of food is bought by Pritam's father in total. Okay, this is our answer. Now going to the next page where we have some problem sums here, page number 104. So I am doing number 1 here. Father bought 3/4 kilogram of sugar from the market. There was 1/5 kilogram sugar in home. Mother spent 9/10 kilogram of sugar in a day. At the end of the day, how much sugar is left? So father bought 3/4 kilogram of sugar and already we have 1/5 kilogram of sugar in home. So we have to find the total sugar in home. Okay, so first thing is father brought okay, 3/4 kg of sugar. In home we have 1/5 kg of sugar. So total amount of sugar in home, that is 3/4 plus 1/5. The LCM of these two numbers is 20. 20 divided by 4, that is 5. 5 into 3 is 15. And this will be 4. That is 19 by 20. That is the total amount of sugar in home. Mother spent 9/10 kilogram of sugar. Mother spent this kg of sugar. Okay. Now at the end of the day, how much sugar is left? So the amount of sugar left, we have to find this. So the total is this and this amount is already used. So we have to find 19 by 20 minus 9 by 10. LCM will be 20. You can do it by yourself and you can find that you will get the LCM as 20 here. So 20 divided by 20 is 19 and this will be 18. So 1 by 20. This is our answer. That is, at the end of the day, sugar left is 120. 120 kg of sugar is left at the end of the day. Now going to problem number 3. On the first day, Shibu and Ramu have cleared 8-9 parts and 118 parts of a garden respectively. On the following day, Polly and Millie cleaned 11-24 parts and 16 parts respectively. How much more have Shibu and Ramu worked than the second day? So we have to find the total amount of work done by Shibu and Ramu, and next we have to find the total amount of work done by Polly and Millie. Okay, so the total amount of work done by Shibu and Ramu, that is, we have to add the amount of work 8 by 9 plus 1 by 18. Now taking LCM, we get 18. 9 divided by 18 divided by 9 we get 2. 2 into 8 is 16 plus 1, that is 17 by 18. This parts of work is done on the first day. So on the second day, the total amount of work done by Polly and Millie. Okay, Polly and Millie, that is 11 by 24 plus 1/6. Okay, wait a minute. I think now the board is clear to you. 1/6. Okay, now here we will have the LCM as 24. This will be 11 and this will be 4. So 15 by 24. We can see this is already given that this part is greater than this. Okay, so how much more? So we have to find the difference. Okay, we have to find the difference between these two fractions. So the difference is So the difference is 11 by 17 by 18 by minus 15 by 24. Now we have to find the LCM of 18 and 24 here. So we get 6 4s are 24, 24 into 3. 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 4. We can do like this. 2 3 72. So we have 72 here. So 18 4s are 72. Here we will write 17 into 4 minus 24 3s are. So we will write 15 into 3. So we get here 68 minus 45. Okay, I am erasing this part. So you can see it properly. So this will be 72. This will be 23 by 72 parts. That is by this amount Shibu and Ramu worked more than the second day. By this part, by 23 by 72 parts, Shibu and Ramu worked more than the second day. That will be our answer. So we have completed this chapter. Now the last part is simplification. So I will do 2 or 3 simplification for you. Rest of the simplification will be done only by you. I am doing number E here. 1 by 7 plus 5 by 7. Simplification is very easy. I will give you the answer later. So that will be your homework. Now first we will do this part. First we have already done with the Brodmann rule. So in that case we have to do that. Brodmann means first bracket, then or, then multiplication, then division, then multiplication, like this. So we have to do this bracket first. 7 will be the LCM 1 plus 5 minus there will be 5 will be the LCM 1 plus 2. So we get 6 by 7. Now we don't need to put any bracket here because the operation is already done. So this will be 35, 6 into 5, and this will be 3 into 7, that is 35 minus 21 by 35. So we get 14 by 35. So this answer will be 2 by 5. Okay, the answer will be 2 by 5. Dividing this 14 and 35 by 7. 7 2s are 14 and 7 5s are 35. Now going to another example. Here we are doing number G number. Here we have number G. In number G we have 6 by 7 minus 1 by 14 plus 5 by 7. So here also we will do the bracketed portion first. So here the LCM will be 14, 1 plus 5 into 2. Okay. Now the operation is not yet done, so we will write here this. So now the operation is done, we can add 11 by 14. Okay. Now here also we get what? We get, here also we get to do the LCM here, because 7 and 14 is in the denominator. So the denominator, the LCM of these two number will be 14. 7 divided by 14 divided by 7 is 2. 6 into 2 is 12 minus 11. So we get 1 by 14. That is our answer. Okay. The rest of the simplification, that is from A, B, C, D, F and H, that will be your homework. And this chapter is completed. We have done all the sums here. Only number 2 sums, page number 104, number 2 is left and the simplifications are left. We will discuss about this. I will give you the solution letter. For your homework will be simplification homework. I am giving you the homework. Your homework will be page 104. Page 104, number 2. Sum number 2 and sum number 4, that is the simplification. You will do this sums. Okay. And for today's for the previous homework that I already given you, that you have to do, I have given you the answer in a PDF form. In the video, in this video description box, you will get the link and you can download that PDF. You don't need to download, you can only click the link and you will get to see the PDF, and or you get to see the you get to see the picture, and you can then check your answer from there also.